How's everybody doing? My name's Manny, aka Taxman, Option 1 Tax Services. This is a 2022 Lowrider ST. We basically did a repop on this whole bike. As you can see, it pretty much looks just like a RD, FXR. Similar paint scheme, couple little different touches we did on this bike. Had a bunch of different friends / clients touch this bike. Shout out to Till Death Cycles, Jam City, Savage, Rabby Savage. Who else? I might be forgetting a couple people. Paint job by Supernatural Customs. Supernatural out of Brea, California. Did an awesome job with this paint scheme, getting it to look just right. Black chrome exhaust. We got a S&S cam and tune by Motor Witch out in Arizona. This thing moves pretty good. We did a custom decal on this. Got it to read Sport Touring Edition to kind of stay in tune with the ST moniker of this bike. I'm a really big fan of the FXRs, but I was definitely looking for something a little more reliable. Similar look. Did some chrome wheels, some thrashing floorboards on this thing. We did solid rotors, kind of moved away a little bit from the floating rotors just to give it a little like old school kind of vibe touch. That's pretty much it. Chrome the wheels, as you can see, a lot of the stuff is pretty obvious, but the main goal with this bike just to keep it, keep it looking like something that would come out of the factory. Something that looks real similar to like the FXR days, but try to incorporate that into the newer style Softails. I'll be the first one to tell you, I wasn't a big fan of the Softails when they first came out. I put my hands on one back in like 2018. I wasn't thrilled with it. Rode around for a little while. Real nice bike. Kind of moved away from that for a little bit. Started messing with some DPs, some Dynas, a couple FXRs. Pretty much owned them all, but this is probably one of the best bikes I've owned. You can do just about everything on this thing. Everyone's a pretty big fan of the matching tour pack. LaPera seat. It's probably one of the most comfortable seats that I've ridden on. They stay pretty cool in the summer days. That's about it. A lot of ARP bolts on here, provided by Diamond Lane Cycles. Shout out to him. A lot of these people that worked on these bikes are a lot of my clients. I try to spread the love a little bit when it comes to my bikes. Make sure everybody gets a little piece of the action. So I do a lot of motorcycle industry clients for, offer accounting services, bookkeeping, taxes, some consulting work, So if you need some help, holler at me. Southern California, Option 1 Tax Services, the Taxman. You've probably seen some of the videos that I do. I also run the Club Style USA page.